When I first came to Monell, I learned that there were people studying things that I didn't know were available to me, options that I did not know were available to me. My name is Matthew Aquilino. I work in Ichiro Matsumoto's lab, studying fatty acid taste receptor mechanisms and itch receptor mechanisms. I have always wanted to study science, medicine. The first course that I took in grad school was a cellular neurophysiology course. In that course, we had a lecture that focused on the physiology of the senses. And I remember sitting in that class and thinking to myself, wow, how amazing would it be if I could find a way to study that someday. And lo and behold, the only research institute in the entire world dedicated to studying the chemical senses is in the city that I grew up in, and they were willing to hire me and kickstart my research career. I think learning about how humans and animals perceive the world around them and understand the world around them on a molecular and cellular basis was very energizing, and it combined so many of my interests, people, animals, cell biology, understanding how an ion crossing a membrane can cause us to feel and see. So much of human experience is, if not all of human experience, is walking around, looking around, feeling, seeing. Our senses contribute so much to the human experience. So learning how that works was very exciting. It seemed like divine intervention for me because I was interested in Monell, and Monell happened to be interested in me. Ichiro Matsumoto specifically was interested in hiring me. I wasn't interested in what anyone else was doing. I was interested in the person that became interested in me. So working for Ichiro was what I was excited about. Looking at his old research papers from when I was little, sorry, not to age Ichiro, but looking at his old research papers, he studied fish and wildlife that I was interested in studying, taste receptors being expressed on the skin of fish, things like that. It taught me that there were people studying things. Yeah, so when I first came to Monell, I learned that there were people studying things that I didn't know were available to me, options that I did not know were available to me. And working for Ichiro has taught me a great deal about what it means to work hard, great integrity in your science, and to use sound science to pursue some sort of hypothesis or research interest.